The fourth question is find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Okay, let us take the first case. First question, f of x is equals to x plus 2. X plus 2. So to find the zero of the given polynomial, what should we do? We should find the zero of the given polynomial. We should equate it to the zero. Equating f of x is equals to 0. So after equating, what happens? The given polynomial is x plus 2. X plus 2 to, we are equating it to 0. So sending plus 2 to the other side of the is equals to, that is right side. After transposing, we are going to get plus 2 becomes minus 2. So minus 2 will be the zero of the given polynomial. Minus 2 will be the zero of the given polynomial. Okay, let us take another expression. F of x is equals to 2x plus 3. F of x is equals to 2x plus 3. In the same way, let us equate it to the 0. So what is the next step, children? What should we do now? Should send plus 3 to the other side. 2x becomes 2x is equals to minus 3. So after here 2 is multiplying x. So we should send 2 to the other side of the is equals to symbol. So after transposing, here 2 is multiplying. So after transposing, what happens? 2 divides. So x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So this is the value 0 of the given polynomial. This is the 0 of the given polynomial. X is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, let us take another expression. F of x is equals to px. F of x is equals to px. Again the same process. Let us equate f of x to 0. Px is equals to 0. So by transposing p to other side, what happens? X will become 0 by p, that is 0. So 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, let us take another expression. P f of x is equals to x square. F of x is equals to x square. So equating it to 0, x square will equals to 0. Then what will be the x? Square root of 0, that is 0. So here 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial f of x is equals to x square. Understand, children? In this way, we should find the zeros of the given polynomials. See the fifth question, children. If 2 is the zero of the polynomial, what is the polynomial given? P of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. This is the polynomial and it is given that 2 is the zero of this polynomial. Then what should we find? We should find the value of a. We don't know the value of a, we should find the value of a. So let us write the given expression. P of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. So here it is given that 2 is the zero of the polynomial. So we may consider that the value of p of x at x is equals to 2 will become 0 because it is already given in the problem. So p of 2 will become 0. So let us substitute 2 in place of x and equate the complete expression to 0. 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a. We don't know the value of a. So this will become 0. at x is equals to 2. 2 square, how much? 4. Minus 3 into 2, 6 plus 7, a is equals to 0. Okay, tell me children, 2 into 4, okay, 8 minus 6 plus 7a is equals to 0. 8 minus 6 is how much? 2. So, 2 plus 7a is equals to 0. So, from this, if you say transpose 2 to the other side, what happens? 7a is equals to minus 2. 7a is equals to minus 2. Again, transpose 7 to the other side of the is equals to symbol. A is equals to minus 2 by 7. So, this will be the value of A. This is the value of A. So, by given clue, what is the clue given here? The clue is the expression, the value of the expression will become 0 at x is equals to 2. That means 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. So, by the given clue, by substituting the value of x in the given expression, we found the value of the unknown alphabet here, a, that is a is equals to minus 2 by 7. Look at the sixth question. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, what is the polynomial? F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Then find the values of a and b. Then find the values of a and b. So, the given clues are 0 is a 0 of the polynomial and also 1 is also 0 of the given polynomial. So, there are two zeros of the polynomial. By using the two zeros, we should find the unknown alphabets, that is a and b here. So, let us write the expression once again. F of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Plus ax plus b. So, the first 0 of the polynomial is 0 only. That means if you substitute 0 in place of x, we are going to get 0. So, f of 0 will become 0. 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. So, all these are 2 into 0 cube, that is 2 into 0 cube will become 0. Here also 0 square will become 0. A into 0 plus b is equals to 0. Now 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. A into 0 is 0. Only b left here. So the value of b is also 0. So value of b is also 0. So out of a and b, first we got the value of b. By substituting 1 and also value of b, we are going to get the value of a. Okay. Now the another 0 is 1. Let us substitute this 1. So we got b as 0. Now let us substitute the another 0 of the given polynomial, that is f of 1. 2 into, in place of x we are going to substitute 1 minus, here again throughout the expression the x should be replaced by 1. 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equals to 0. Why we are equating it to 0? Why? Because we know that 1 is the 0 of the expression. So 2 into 1 cube will become 1. Again minus 3 into 1 square will become 1. Plus a into 1 is a plus b is equals to 0. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus a. We know the value of b also. So substitute the value of b, that is equals to 0. Now 2 minus 1 is minus 1 plus a is equals to 0. After transposing minus 1 to other side, A will be equals to plus 1. So we got the value A as 1 and B as 0. So by using the given zeros 0 and 1, we found the values of A and B. So with this we have completed the exercise 2.2 in chapter 2. So I hope you understand, children. Practice the given problems and explained problems very well. And there will be a worksheet and online test will be there. Hope you do successfully, children. Thank you.